let's make some cheesy baked chicken sandwiches. For the white sauce, you'll need some butter, some oil, some flour, and mix it around before adding in your milk. Now keep using a whisk to get rid of any lumps. Add in half a chicken cube, some salt, black pepper, chili flakes. Keep mixing until the mixture thickens like so. Now for the marinade, you need some lemons, tandoori masala, some chili flakes, and some soy sauce. Marinate it for as long as you can wait. To cook it, just add some oil and garlic to a pan and add your marinated chicken. For the assembling bit, pour some white sauce, some bread slices. Now drizzle ketchup and mayonnaise on top and spread it in a way that it covers every single corner. Add a sprinkle of cheddar cheese, bread slices, white sauce, the chicken mixture, capsicums and onions, bread and white sauce, some mozzarella and cheddar cheese on top with some olives. Bake it at 180 for about 15 minutes and enjoy.